Every journey hides a side you will never see. This is SkyTales by her. You place your luggage on the belt, and in a few seconds, it disappears. But that moment is just the beginning. Behind the check-in counters, a hidden world hums with activity. Conveyor belts twist and turn, moving thousands of bags every hour. Scanners check each item, multiple items. Security systems inspect every corner, every detail. Your bag transforms into more than an object, a code, a destination, a carefully plotted path. Machines and humans collaborate silently, guiding it through the system. Sometimes your bag moves faster than you, sometimes it waits or takes an unexpected route. Yet, eventually, it reaches the aircraft, nestled safely among hundreds of others. And while you walk through the terminal, your luggage is already there, silent, ready, ahead of you. SkyTales by her. Even the smallest journeys deserve to be seen.